So recently Google dropped many major updates in its AI models. Firstly, it dropped Gemma 3, which is an open source model which is claimed to be as small as it can be run on any type of device, even on your mobile phones. And the very next update which it dropped was in Gemini 2.0 Flash, which was its latest and the most advanced reasoning model. So what they did was they bought a very amazing feature of generating images using Gemini 2.0 Flash. So now what you can do is that you can generate images using Gemini 2.0 Flash. This model has created chaos on the internet because of its character consistency, the quality of images it is generating. So I went through a post. I tried Gemini 2.0 experimental on my own, and I felt it really amazing of the quality of images it is giving. So I went through this information about Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental having the image feature, and I thought to share it with you guys. So this video is all about the feature added by Google to Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, the feature of generating images using prompts. So for those who are new to this page or new to this video, my name is Kev and you're watching AI Bros. Let's get started. So we are on my screen, and this is how, for those who don't know about Google AI Studio, this is Google AI Studio, where Google these days are releasing their upgraded models, all the upgraded models which Google have released up till this date and will be releasing in the future. This platform is going to have all the models. So as you can see over here, if you go to the model section, by the way, before proceeding in this video, this is a completely blank kind of a review which I'm giving over here. I haven't prepared for this review. I will be exploring Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental with you guys over here. So if any kind of issue or any kind of mistake that happens with me, please forgive me out. So when we come to the model section over here, we have Gemini 2.0 Flash. So this is the Gemini family: 2.0 Flash, 2.0 Flash experimental, Lite, the experimental model, and the Gamma model which I was talking about. So Gamma comes in 4 variants. It's the 1 billion, 4 billion, 12 billion, and the 27 billion, according to the article published by Google. So this is the Gamma family, which you can explore at, again, Google AI Studio itself. This is a Gemini family, but we are interested in Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental. So as we select Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, it says image generation, and the output format you can choose from text, or you can make it images and text. So let's see why is it creating so much hype on the internet. So we'll start with something fresh, something cute. I'll ask it to, let's say, create an image of a cute panda eating bamboo. So I'll ask create a high quality image. So I'm asking it to create a high quality image of a cute panda eating bamboo. Let's see what it gives to me. Oh, sorry. So you'll have to press Control Enter for that. So it created me an image with a with a panda eating bamboo. So as you can see how clear this image is. The details are pretty good. It almost looks like it is being shot with some DSLR camera by a wildlife photographer or something. So now what I'm going to ask is that make this panda wear blue jacket with a white hat. So let's see what results do we get. So as you can see over here, the panda is still the same in the same position, but now he is wearing a blue jacket with a white cap or a white hat. I asked it for a hat, but it's okay. I think this is also looking pretty good on panda. So now I'll ask it to make panda wear sunglasses. So the post which I read recently, people are widely talking about the character consistency of the model. People are saying that Gemini 2.0 Flash is able to, process images in a way that it is able to maintain the character consistency right from start till the end. So let's see in this video how we can explore, if we could be able to explore that or not. So this is how it, added a sunglass to the image. How cool is that? So now show the panda waving a hi to the viewers. So we'll make the panda to wave a high five to you all. Yeah. So as you can see, the panda is now saying you all hi, a hi, and also saying you to subscribe to AI Bros as well. We'll make Panda to say that eventually. It might do that. So as you can see, the bamboo has disappeared. I don't know why it did that. If we'll ask Gemini to bring back the bamboo, it will bring back the bamboo. But I think Panda is also looking good without the bamboo. So now uh, what we should ask it to do? Now we'll ask it to we'll sorry make panda climb the tree. So we'll make panda climb the tree. Let's see what results do we get. So panda has climbed the tree over here. So panda, so the cap is still intact, but the jacket has been removed. So I'll ask Gemini to please do keep the jacket. Okay, so it's not able to process that, but overall the construction of the image is pretty good. So if we now let's see if we can okay, we cannot comment this out, but okay. So now what we are going to ask is that make panda meet his clumsy friend Snakey. So okay, on the tree. So now panda is going to meet his clumsy friend Snakey. So I came across few more features of Gemini 2.0 Flash about okay. So it made another panda. The original panda is still the same, and here it made a snake on the tree. So I think for a model, for a conversational or a reasoning model like this, which is not being specifically designed to produce or to generate AI images, I think this is a revolution. Uh, for me, this model, if used in a very structured and a very proper format, this can yield very very good results. So another feature which I was talking about is that you can change the color of the clothing that you are wearing. So let me show you. I'll just upload my picture. So this is my very very old picture in one of my formal shirts. So uh, I'll ask Gemini to change the color of the shirt to light blue, keeping the facial expressions and features completely intact. So many a times AI models tend to distort the facial features. So you should it is always recommended to instruct them not to disturb the facial expressions. And as you can see, this shirt was black over here, and with the color change, it made it blue. How natural is it looking? It's almost looking like I was wearing a blue shirt in that image. What if it could change my dressing from my shirt to something hoodie? Let's try that. Change the shirt into a, we'll change the color as well. Dark green hoodie. I think we should pass this instruction as well. So just for a safer side, let's wait for the results. And I'm pretty excited. It should not disappoint me out. All right, here we go. So just look at the quality of image. It here in this image, I think it is looking like I have morphed or edited it using AI or some any other tool. But this image looks very real actually. So if you want to change the color of your clothing, you can do that easily using Google Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. But if you want to change the entire clothing, that might be a bit off the course for Gemini 2.0, but still very good efforts. This looks close to real actually. You can give a justification that I made it, yeah, I enhanced it with some kind of AI, so that's why it is looking like that. But overall this looks very amazing. So what if I ask it to, sorry, keep the blue shirt and add a cap on to my head, add a black cap with AI Bros written on the cap. Let's try that. If it can uh give you something of that sort. Another thing which I discovered, like I was going through more features of Gemini 2.0. So some people were telling that you can add some text to any product of yours. For example, if you give an image of a cap and you want some text to be written on that cap, it can do that. So we'll also test that out. So I think it didn't made that change. No, it was not able to make that change. So the changes which you're making are not reversible. That's it. That's what I believe in, because I asked it to keep the blue shirt, but it didn't reverse the change of blue shirt. It kept it the hoodie itself. So I think the changes are irreversible. So we'll have to make a new window. And what we'll do is that, all right, so I took a break and I was searching for a cap image. As I told you, Gemini 2.0 is also known for writing any kind of text that you want on any product. So let's check that out. If it can write AI bros in yellow on this cap, right? AI, sorry, bros on this cap in yellow color, keeping the texture intact. Let's check if it can write something on the cap or not, and how natural do it look. That's the most important thing. So okay, so this was the previous image, and this is now a new image where it is written AI Bros on the cap. And I think when we see it from the image perspective, I think this looks pretty much real. If we ask it to please follow the curves of the cap and place the text according to that, also change the color of text to mustard yellow. Okay, let me see how does it perform with this prompt. So I think when I compare this response, so we'll first see this response. I think this looks more real than the previous one. This was looking as if I, just plainly placed some kind of text from any text editor or any image editor. So it was looking straight, completely straight. And in this, I can see that it followed the curves of the cap, and it placed the text according to that. And the second thing which it did is it changed the color of the text to mustard yellow. So that looks really interesting. It looks really good. If you want to, market your product, if you want to create any custom product for your marketing purposes, so what you can do is that you can get any sample image, and you can ask Gemini 2.0 Flash to add your text and just play around with it, and it will be able to place your text according to what you want and how you want it to be on the product. So I think this is actually very good. Again, as I said, Google Gemini series was all based on, I suppose, conversational and relational models. These models were supposed to be uh, these models were supposed to write text, analyze the text, analyze the data, and get a good outcome out of that. This switch from from being a traditional conversational to a reasoning model, to now a reasoning as well as an image generating model, this transition is really, really amazing. I love this transition, and I think each and every one of you should go try Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental at least once. If not for your personal use, you should definitely go and try it out in your leisure time, just for the sake of exploring. So I think this should be enough for the exploration part, and I think that should be the end of the video. I hope you like this comparison too. Honestly speaking, Gemini 2.0 Flash blew my mind. Actually, again, I'm repeating this again and again. You should definitely consider this point out, that being a traditional conversational and a reasoning model, uh, after being into this category, again, bringing a new category of, generating images. This is really difficult, and hats off to Google for doing such an amazing job. Now you can create images and can create quality content all at the same place. And the best part is it has a wide range, or you can say a wide window, a wide context window. I suppose it's 128,000. I believe that. The token count that was being displayed on Google AI Studio was a bit less, but you can, place text in a range from 128 to 132,000 tokens as well. So I think this is a big revolution made by Google in the AI and the model space. Hats off to Google, and I request all the viewers to kindly go check Google AI Studio at least once, so you get the best whole experience out of it. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.